Hello students, hope you all are doing good. We are back with the science chapter number 17, that is forest our lifeline. So now in this video, this is the last part of the chapter that we are going to discuss today. And the topic of the discussion is importance of forest. So in the whole chapter we have already spoke about what importance of forest hold for us and what are the basic characteristics of trees that are there in the forest, what are different type of animals that live in the forest and many more things. Now in this topic we are going to discuss that how forest is very much important on the earth and how it provides a balance for the human beings as well as the whole species of humankind. So come let us start with the first point. So here the first point says that forest provides habitats for animals and livelihood for humans. So this is very much important and very much common that there are many animals that live in the forest. So the forest becomes their habitat, that means the place where they live, right? And livelihoods for human beings, that means the human beings get many things from the forest, so it also provides livelihood to the human beings. Okay, now the next point says that it migrate climate change. So it mitigates the climate change, that means by the process of transpiration and photosynthesis forest maintains the temperature. So when the temperature is maintained, that means we do not receive a lot amount of heat, and this is because of the forest that we get a lot amount of rainfalls also, right? So forest help us to mitigate, or we can say that balance the climate change. Next point is forest prevents soil erosion. That means soil erosion is the process where the uppermost layer of the soil gets eroded, or you can say that uppermost layer of the soil gets washed away due to many factors, and these factors could be wind, water or floods, right? So जो forest होते हैं, because of them, because of the roots of the trees, they hold on to the soil and that protects the soil from not getting flushed away, right? So it prevents the soil erosion. Now next is trees absorb carbon dioxide and turn it into wood. So here they provide us the wood, that is the very much important resource, and because of wood we have the earlier times of people were very much benefited because of these things. Next is forest pumps out oxygen we need to live and absorb the carbon dioxide we exhale. So the very important thing, and this thing has also been discussed into the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide, that forests are the giver of oxygen and they take away carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and making it possible for us to live on this earth. The next is groups of trees can also serve as a windbreak. That means if the trees are in a group, so they will prevent the wind, or we can say that any wind based disaster can be prevented because of the trees, like cyclone or tsunamis. These can be protected because of the trees. The next is it regulate the water cycle. Now because the forest is important to bringing up rains, it transpirates the excess water into the air and brings out rain, and hence it is very much helpful in maintaining the water cycle on the earth. So you have already learnt what a water cycle is, right? The cycle in which the balance of the water is maintained on the earth, and forests are the key role players in maintaining this cycle. So it is also an important point to be noted in the importance of forest. Now moving on to the eighth point, it provides fodder for cattle and provides firewood, etc. So there are number of things that we get, and from that we can also write that the cattle like cows, buffaloes, goats, sheep, all these get all the fodder from the forest, because the shepherds that live into the village, they take their cattle to the forest is, so that they can feed over there, right? So it provides fodder for the cattle, and for us human beings it provide firewood, which is helpful in burning the fire. Now next is it provide medicinal plants and spices. So there are many medicinal plants and spices which are obtained from the forest, that we have also learnt, that we have also discussed in the video where we discussed about the products obtained from the forest, which is the important thing is they give us many medicinal plants and spices which are helpful to cure many diseases. Now the next is it provides raw material to industries like paper, plywood, rayon, etc. So these are some raw material that the industries get from the forest, and they can be paper, plywood, or any other agricultural product that is used to make the final product. Now the next is it provide products such as gum, wax, rubber and honey. So gum, wax, rubber, honey, these you can mention as many products as you remember, you can mention it over here, that they provide all these things to us. So here are some other important points. Let us discuss that they provide employment opportunities to people. Now there are forest departments where people can get the job, and they what they have to do is they have to take care of the forest they are living in. So they provide employment opportunities also. Now forest resource become a source of foreign exchange in our country. सो ऑल द रिसोर्सेज, जितनी भी रिसोर्सेज, जितनी भी प्रोडक्ट्स हमें फॉरेस्ट से मिल रही हैं, ये सारे रिसोर्सेज जो हैं वो फॉरेन एक्सचेंज के काम आती हैं. दैट मीन्स कि उनका हम एक्सपोर्टिंग कर सकते हैं एंड वी कैन अर्न अ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो हेल्पफुल इन फॉरेन एक्सचेंज. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज़ रिड्यूस एटमॉस्फेरिक पॉल्यूशन. सो फॉरेस्ट अगर होंगे, ट्रीज़ अगर होंगे, तो बहुत कम पॉल्यूशन जो है वो होगा हमारे पास में, बिकॉज ट्रीज़ जो हैं वो ज़्यादातर अमाउंट में अब्जॉर्ब कर लेती हैं हार्मफुल चीज़ों को, एंड हैंस मेकिंग द एयर मोर प्योर. It provide protection to the wildlife. So all the wildlife that is living into the forest get all protection living there. अब अगर forest नहीं रहेंगे तो wildlife का रहना या sustain करना भी बहुत difficult हो जाता है. So they are important for the wildlife, so that wildlife रहेंगे तो यूँ ही पूरा food chain, if you remember we have learned about food chain, तो वो food chain disturb नहीं होगा, and जो पूरा system है, balance है, that will go on smoothly. Now the 15th point, it says that it help in regulating gaseous cycle of the atmosphere and the earth temperature. So जो भी gaseous cycle है उसको भी forest जो है वो helpful होते हैं उसको maintain करने के लिए. जो कार्बन एंड ऑक्सीजन का साइकिल आपने देखा वही है ये. एंड द अर्थ्स टेम्परेचर, फॉरेस्ट की वजह से टेम्परेचर जो है अर्थ पे वो मेंटेन रहता है. नेक्स्ट इज फॉरेस्ट बियर मैनी फ्लावर्स, फ्रूट्स, रूट्स विच आर सूटेबल for human consumption. So we can eat all these flowers, we use all these fruits, roots, जितना भी प्रोडक्ट हमें यहाँ से मिलता है उसको हम लोग कंजम्पशन के लिए भी यूज़ करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज़ फॉरेस्ट प्रोवाइड वुड फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ फर्नीचर एंड इन द बिल्डिंग ऑफ वुडन हाउसेस. सो जो भी वुडन हाउसेस बनते हैं या फर्नीचर का प्रोडक्शन होता है उसके लिए वुड हेल्पफुल है. एक और पॉइंट पढ़ा था उसमें फायर वुड लिखा था, दैट इज़ फॉर द फ्यूल, कि जो विलेजेस का एरिया होता है, रूरल एरियाज होते हैं, दे आर स्टिल यूजिंग दिस फायरवुड टू कुक फूड एंड टू मेक फूड. So the next point is forest covering a large area promote perfect seasonal rains through their vast amount of transpiration. This is the important point कि वो rains ले आते हैं, seasonal rains ले आ जाते हैं. This is the point where we get a lot amount of water on the earth. फॉरेस्ट प्रमोट बायोडाइवर्सिटी टू अ ग्रेट एक्सचेंज. दैट मीन्स कि एक डाइवर्सिटी रहती है, वाइल्ड एनिमल्स होते हैं, इसके साथ साथ बहुत सारे बर्ड्स एंड वाटर नॉट, मतलब अ वेरी लार्ज वेराइटी ऑफ एनिमल्स, बर्ड्स, इंसेक्ट्स लिव इन टू अ फॉरेस्ट. सो ये एक बायोडाइवर्सिटी क्रिएट करती है एंड दिस मेंटेन्स द बैलेंस ऑन द अर्थ. The last point it says that it produce humus and maintain soil fertility. So forest जो होता है उसमें decomposers होते हैं, जो हमने पहले भी पढ़ा है कि decomposers जो होते हैं वो ऐसे इंसेक्ट्स या माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं जो वेस्ट को, यानी कि डेड प्लांट्स को या डेड एनिमल्स को सॉइल में मिक्स कर लेते हैं, एंड हेंस जो सॉइल है उसमें ह्यूमस क्रिएट होता है. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द सॉइल बिकम्स वेरी फर्टाइल, वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट, एंड इसीलिए वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी ट्रीज़ जो हैं वो ग्रो कर पाती हैं. सो सॉइल फर्टिलिटी इज़ ऑल्सो ऑब्टेन्ड बिकॉज ऑफ द forest. So all these were the importance of the forest. You can write as many as you can remember. So this is where the chapter ends. We'll start the new chapter into the next class. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay home.